but
Well, because that would make life easier, right?
okay, so let's record this and then I will send it out to all the timekeepers. So when you're right here on your, when you first get in to the EUO OT, you click on the advanced. So I like to go by district. So you see what I did? I clicked on
The data field.
data field.
Okay.
When you click on data field, it changes it to any standard data field, and it has all the options. It's easier to just go like this, type district, select district, and then here you get a drop down. That wasn't supposed to happen. All right, let's try this again. Oh. And wait a second. And let's pick District 4. Now, like for you, if you know what territory you have Territory 1. So then you could do data field territory and just pick Territory 1.
But do I have other territories or?
No, you yourself are District 4, Territory 1. Now, other people may not know their territories. They may just want to go by district. But in your case, I know that all you have is Territory 1. Okay?
Okay. So now if you go over and click on status, that's where it would bring
I can't hear you. Just a second. Maybe I need to put my volume up. Yeah, I think that's the problem. Okay.
So if you go to status, if you click on that, that's where you can get it to be where pending timekeeper will pop up to the top, correct?
We can add status right here, current status.
Okay.
And we can get just this right here, non-area employee timekeepers, the one you want. And we apply that filter, and then yes, that's all you see is what's pending timekeeper.
Okay, well now I don't want you to think I'm not doing anything because I have things, but I don't have access to some of these yet.
You don't?
No, I cannot get in. I can physically get into, hold on, let me tell you.
Oh wait, okay. You're saying you don't have access in
They have to enter. Yeah.
Okay, that's okay.